Welcome to another Windows 10 video. My name is Ed, and in this video I want to talk to you about System Restore. In Windows 10 it's called System Protection. By default it's turned off, and I want to show you how you can enable it. Now it's basically like a two-part thing. So if you right click and you go to System, it will bring up your About screen, right? You can go to System Info. If you open Control Panel, click on System, it's basically the same thing. If you click on System Protection, you'll notice that you've got this extra tab here, but System Restore is grayed out. And as you can see, it says Protection Off. So in order for you to be able to enable System Restore Protection, you need to click the Configure button, turn it on, and obviously select the usage, right? Once you do that, you can see it's on. This button has come alive, right? So basically, obviously I don't have any restore points because I've just enabled it. But now you can revert your machine back in case you've installed an application that's crashing your machine or a driver, etc., etc. Creating a restore point is as simple as clicking on Create, and then you can give it a description and click Create. And I'm not going to do that now because it's obviously going to take a bit of time on my virtual machine, which is not so powerful. If you wanted to basically switch it off again, you can click Configure and Disable, and you're going to get a nice warning, and basically it's off again. So that is how easy it is to enable System Restore. It's just a two-part step. Now, like I say, it's from the Control Panel. So if you open Control Panel and System, it's basically the same thing versus right-clicking System, going there. So whichever works for you. And that's System Restore in a nutshell. Thank you very much for watching.